GSC. Invite Yadia Abanzato. On behalf of Yadia Abanzato, we'd like to invite Mr. Vimukthi Bandara, the Senior Brand Manager, to join us in handing over the dummy check to the Asia Exhibition team in marking the title sponsor at the Yadia EV Colombo Motor Show 2026. Congratulations! Official banking and leasing partner, Ceylon Bank PLC. Yadia Colombo EV Motor Show 2026. Thank you very much for being our main sponsor. We all know who are the giants behind this fabulous endeavor. Our title sponsor.
අහන දෙයක් තමයි මේ ප්‍රදර්ශනයකදී කොහොමද අපේ බිස්නස් එක වැඩි කරගන්නේ කියන කාරණාව. ඇත්තටම ලංකාවේ ඔඩියන්ස් එක එන්න වෙනස් වෙනවා. මොකද අපි ඊට පස්සේ ඇඩ්‍රස් කරන්න ඕනේ ජෙන්සි එකට. එතකොට ජෙන්සි එකට කොහොමද අපි මේ විද්‍යුත් වාහන පිළිබඳව දැනුම ලබා දෙන්නේ කියන කාරණාව. අනිත් එක මේකට ආවම ඕනම කෙනෙක්ට විද්‍යුත් වාහනයක් පිළිබඳ තියෙන සියලුම දැනුම ඒ ඉන්න ප්‍රවීණයන්ගෙන් දැනගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් බොහොම ගෞරවයෙන් ආරාධනා කරනවා සහ ලංකාවේ එකම සහ ලංකාවේ ගොඩක් දෙනෙක් බලාගෙන ඉන්න.
We would like to thank the organizers, exhibitors and our partners for being part of this exciting journey. And I wish everyone a successful and inspiring EV Motor Show 2026. Thank you everyone.
We would be definitely offering a superb package of leasing and personal financing solutions. If you talk about leasing, we would be offering one of the best rates in the market, starting from 10.7% onwards. That's a exclusive rate. And also we would be providing a 50% rebate on the processing charges, as well as on the spot lease approval.
And it is also encouraging to see how much the EV industry has grown up over the past 2 years. More Sri Lankans are embracing sustainable mobility, and we are proud to say that we are
to renewable energy based mobility solutions. Is a very good sign. The option to countries like ours due to several reasons. One of the reasons is saving forex inflow on import of fuel as a key reason. What ties all of us together is a simple belief that electric vehicles in Sri Lanka shouldn't be a luxury reserved for a few, but a reliable, affordable option for everyone, families, fleet owners and business alike.
That the transition to new energy vehicles isn't just an environment imperative. It's an economy opportunity. It's about positioning Sri Lanka not as a follower, but as a leader in the Asian new energy vehicle ecosystem. It's about creating jobs, reducing emissions, and driving our citizens cleaner air and better choices. For over a century, Haleys has been a catalyst for progress in this country. We built industries, we created childhood, and now we are
නම්බර් 1 රක්ෂකයා වශයෙන් අපි මේ වෙලාවේ නැගී සිටියා. රයිට් අපි සාධාරණ ගානකට මොනවත් දත්ත නැතුව පාරිභෝගිකයා වෙනුවෙන් නම්බර් 1 රක්ෂකයා වෙනුවෙන්
The journey that's began last year, 1 year ago, at the EV Motor Show 2025. We officially introduced our GSC electric vehicle lineup to the Sri Lankan market for the very first time. It was the beginning of new chapter, bringing advanced electric mobility solutions and world-class automotive technology to Sri Lankan consumers. Over the past year, we have been truly encouraged by the positive response from customers across the country. Within a short period, GSC has achieved a very respectable numbers of sales